Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm Shane, back on the video. Welcome back to another box break on the channel, guys. You guys just saw the Alvarez autograph for my 2016 Topps Chrome Mail Day video I just did. Oh, now this is the next video, and yeah, got sorry, I almost said blaster box. Got a hobby box of 22-23 Upper Deck MVP. Paid $32 for this. Get 20 packs in every box. Really affordable set to complete. There's a couple more cards I need left. Checklist right now. But yeah, lots of you guys want to see the ads. So yeah, let's open this up. I opened up a box of 21-22, and there's been a couple more years. No, or it's been another year now. 22, 23, 23, 24. So yeah, there's been 2 years now. They all came really close from each other because Upper Deck had delays and stuff. Man, I've been wanting to complete this set for a while. I wanted to open one of these for a while, just never did. They're pretty affordable. Looking to go for the base set, looking to go for the master set. Sure, tape in front. There's tape in front. I forgot. Oh, it just. Those packs inside, man. That's a box. Let's open this up, man. It's been a while since I had a hobby box on the channel. It's really windy outside. All the cards that are inside will be in the box because I don't want them to blow away and stuff. So I brought the box out for the mail day as well. Got a little foil action on these packs. Billy Smith. I only need like 30 more cards, I think. I need a lot of the SPs and stuff. Brennan Jed, Dawson Mercer. There we go, we get a silver. So, got the silver of Jacob Glavas. I forgot what happened to this guy. I don't think he plays in NHL right now for the Hawks. I think he maybe does. I don't remember. Yes, go Silver Scripts. That's what it's called. Checklist on the side. And the Ice Battles of Kerfoot. Marty Snyder right away. Nice. Pacioretty and Taylor Hall. Need a lot of the short prints are in the 200s. Arnold, Darcy Kemper. When that's turned around, maybe it might be an autograph. There are autographs in this stuff. That is the 20th anniversary of Freddie Anderson, or Frederick Anderson, from the Hurricane. The Ice Battles of Raquel. Kind of chilly out right now. And Glavis, that's another rookie, high number rookie. 250 card set. I need a lot of rookies and stuff. This is another guy I needed. So I need something from like 201 to 250. I need. Segris. Zuccarello. Self-script of Alex Affiliate. What? Yeah. Why do you need me? I'll help you with groceries. Okay, I gotta do some real quick, guys. Hold on, let me finish off this pack real quick. Self-script of Alex Affilio. Ice Battles of Jordan Brennington. McCarr, O'Reilly, and Robertson like the green. Alright, be right back. Okay, I'm back. I had to carry stuff inside. Real quick, guys, I'm back. Alright, see if we can get a autograph out of MVP. I never gotten one before, like a Magenta autograph or first round draft picks and stuff. So I'm gonna pull something interesting in this box, guys. Might open up another one in the future, maybe. Ryan Strom, Nick Schmaltz. Coyotes are no longer team, guys, because they're going to Utah. I'm actually sad to hear that, too. One of my favorite inserts in this set, Pinpoints. Mark Scheifele. I'd love to complete that set. David Pastrnak. Grubauer. Morgan Riley. Lucas Raymond. This fucking tablet. Sorry, guys. Bergeron, Leclerc, Logan Couture. There are pinpoints of Braden Point. Love these cards a lot, actually. Love to complete that set. I think there's like 25 cards. Ice Battles of Sorokin. Dylan, Robin, Lanner, Kyle, Connor, Matt Dumba, Joe Hansen, Gabe Atkinson. When this video gets uploaded, guys, I'll be 420. 24, 420, and then initial playoff straight. Got a gold pinpoint of Sidney Crosby. That's a nice one. Not numbered, by the way. These are not numbered. And we got a Ice Battles of DJ Oshie. Bertuzzi, Carlson, Clayton Keller. There you go, John. Bertuzzi is another one I don't have, I don't think. 213. I need a lot of the rookies. Putting the packs in the box because they don't fly away. Want to see Batherson, Markstrom. I never have that card, but Domains of Igor Shesterkin. Zoroski. A 30 card set. I got a Ice Battles of Lucas Raymond. Jack Gunzel, Adam Hilrink, Alec Nordjek, something. I don't know how to pronounce his last name. Do apologize. After this, guys, I'm gonna put these in my box and go. Hopefully, I get the set. I don't think I'm gonna get all the cards because a lot of them I gotta get rookies. And hobby boxes usually get a couple rookies. Tavares, Nicola Ehlers, Wojciech Another silver script. Last box of last 21-22 Upper Deck MVP. I got a lot of silver scripts. Got one out Jordan Steele. Not Steel. Steel. Not Stall. That's what I meant to say, not Steel. My bad. And we've got a same one. Back to back. Here's a nice little rainbow right there. Rainbow, all different colors and versions of cards. Braden Point again. Andrei Svechnikov. Rob Yossi. Three players I really like watching, actually. Capitals actually barely made the playoffs. Actually happy about that. DeBoris, Johnson Duran. Yeah, 20th anniversary of Chris Hyder. Nice card right there. Nice battles of Craig Smith. I have that card. I know I do. I have a couple of them. Matt Boldy, rookie. Here we go. That was one of the big ones. Troy McAvoy. Mitch Marner. Mark Scheifele. I think I have a Boldy rookie. I think I have his ice battle, too. Looking for a Marco Rossi. All that. Marco Rossi. Manny Beniers. Shane Gessenspear. Another good player from the Coyotes. Domains of Sidney Crosby. Oh, nice card. That card I needed for my set, so that will be a new one. Jose Kopitar. When I put my checklist now, guys, I go ahead and put the cards I have on there. If it's a new card for my set, I actually put on there for ice battles. I'm just the first card I have, I'll just post it right away how many cards I got at the end or someone, I don't know, maybe from the last one. My nose. Yadi Grod, Rick Wheeler. Hey, here we go. There's another Domains. German, Leon Draisaitl. Forgot he was a German player. Lucas Reichel, Ice Battles. Teach you how to Dougie. Teach you how to Dougie. Bertenzio, Patrick Laine. This cell had a nice couple of boxes. You had a 22 or 21-22 SPX. Saw about getting in the future, actually. I got a couple more packs left. Demko, Kreider, Josh Norris. Encounters Pagu and Troba. New York Battle right there. Counters on the ice. I don't know if I have that one. I get a William Karlsson. I wonder if I can get a green script or a super script. That's what I'm kind of looking for these hobbies. Shesterkin, one of my favorite goalies of all time. Wish that guy was a Capital, actually, Igor Shesterkin. I like Kemper, but I would do anything for him to be a Capital. Shesterkin. You know. Slavin. Provanov. Carter Hart. 20th anniversary. MVP. 100 card set. I'm getting a couple of them. We got Ice Battles of Aaron Ekblad, one of my favorite players as well. Kent Johnson rookie, I don't have that one. Washington, Valesky, Dylan Cousins. It's actually MVP doesn't have relics anymore, but they do have autographs. They have a couple autograph sets. Like the Magenta autographs and stuff. MVP is known for like interesting base cards and like it's kind of like Topps opening day pretty much. Adam Kadri, Timo Meyer, David Drysdale, Counters of Ice, Patrick Kane, and Ryan O'Reilly. Actually, one of the cards I've been wanting to get for that set for a while now too. Like that card, but these two are not on the same team anymore. On these teams anymore. He went to New York, to Detroit. He went to Nashville. Ice Battles of Boone Jenner, and Hartman, Joe Dowdy, and Joel Farabee. Yeah, you guys can hear a lot of people mowing their lawns, and it's windy. A lot of people mow their lawns like almost every day out here, so I can hear it a lot in my videos too when I'm editing. I can hear like a lawnmower, like a couple blocks away or something like that. Brent Sod, Christopher Hagee, another 20th anniversary. Andrei Svechnikov, one of the best ones. Next card. We got a Sean Monahan. Ice Battles. I got a Jordan Spence. That's another one I was looking for. Marc-Andre Fleury, Noah Hannafin, Seth Jones. This was Fleury's last season, actually. Got 4 more packs left, guys. Been a fun break to open. I'll have to do another one of these in the future. Andrew Zach Hyman, another pinpoint. Connor McDavid, that's another one I'm looking for. We're getting the pinpoint cards. Brady Tkachuk. Gail Lucas, Drysdale, another one I was looking for. That's an Ice Battles of Brady Tkachuk. Oh. Martin. Pavel Buchnevich. And a Jordan Eberle. Four more packs left, guys. After this, I'm going to go edit this video out while watching some X-Men Evolution. I was watching that on Disney Plus, actually. Marcus Foligno, Josh Bailey, Horvat. Hey, there we go. There's a Colors and Coutures, or whatever this set's called. The Colors and Coutures, I think that's called. I think we got the base one, though. Matt Duchene. We got the base one, it's number the 250. You guarantee one of these in every box. I was looking for that card to come up. I hope I'm going to get the one number the 15. I like the colors of that. But if we get the base, nice card still. Nice card of the break, actually. Bobby Brinks. Probably say the Matt Boldy is a best card of the break, too. Anthony Cecily, Roops Hines, for our packs. I still need Ovechkin for the set. Do not have his short print. Probably end up buying a couple of singles for the set as well. I might try one of those 24-pack retail boxes in the future. I never opened one of those before. I think it's one of those gravity feed boxes. Hobbies are fun to open too. Travis Konechny, Forsberg, Mittelschmidt. Another silver script. Boom, Jenner, get another nice silver script. Look at that shine right now. We got a Ice Battles TV to Levinen. Jordan Kyrou, Matt Barzal, Jacob Voracek. I think he still plays Voracek. Last pack. Went by pretty fast. This one will not open. I'm guessing we're gonna get a gold script out of here. Or it'd be nice to get a silver. Look at all these packs of stuff in the box right now. Gary Hanneman, Ryan Suter, Matt Duchene. Now I get a silver. I have Cole Caulfield, second year, technically. And we got another ice battles of Jack Quinn. I guess that is it, man. Like, it's a good little break. Schutzler, Andrews Lee, right, Nugent Hopkins. And I guess that's it for the break. Nice little box break. Nothing really too special. The color countures and the Crosby inserts and the gold pinpoints. Got a lot of nice pinpoints and 20th anniversaries. Here's the box. I'm going to go ahead and close it. Might open one of these in the future because I like these cards a lot. One of my favorite MVP sets besides 0708. All the pack stuffed in there. It's all the base. And go for the inserts again. It's all the inserts. That's a little chunk. Probably the best card of the break for sure. Got pinpoints, ice battles, 20th anniversaries, counters on the ice. Like that card too. Alright guys, that is it, man. Thanks for watching. And if you guys haven't yet, like the video, leave a comment, subscribe for more. And there'll probably be a little part after this where I'm actually I'm going to show you guys what my set is. I'll show my boxes too. Yeah. That's it. This is the box for my 2014 Topps baseball set, by the way. Alright guys. Thanks for watching. So yeah, this is a... let me fix my light. So yeah guys, I didn't get a lot of base cards, but all the new ones I got. I got 221 on 282, but 250 cards are mostly then there's like some exclusive expos. I got most of the base. I got all the base set. I just need SPs now. There's all the cards I have that are not duplicates. Try to open this up. Hold on. All these are duplicates inside. So I guess. All the boxes I have now. There it goes. Thanks for watching. Peace.